Hello, Monty here. Just talk to you guys a little bit about the tilt mode for the APRU. The tilt mode in the APRU is to prevent damage, and it prevents damage by shutting off the oil flow when the APRU is placed on its side or upside down. You know, you always have that well-intentioned helper when you're trying to perform aid, grabs your equipment, your aid bag, and wants to really help out, and you ask for your APRU or you want to get blood and you pull this off a vehicle. That helper could unintentionally place the APRU on its side or upside down. I've seen it done numerous times in training, but I know that the tilt function's there and I'm not worried about getting the APRU damaged. And the damage comes from the oil leaking out of the compressor side, which causes damage. So it is a protection mode or a safety mode for the APRU because it is portable and people move it from vehicle to building to the ground, and you want to be able to maintain that blood temperature no matter what happens. Okay, additionally, you can use this tilt mode in planning or for other options as well. It's used for airborne operations. We've had the APRU jumped a few times, and because of the tilt mode, it usually lands on its side. So during the airborne operation, they push it out of the aircraft, lands on the ground, it's on its side. In order for the APRU to actually run the compressor, it has to be upright in this upright position. But when it lands on its side, it turns the oil off to keep it from being damaged. But we have the passive side on here as well, which will maintain your temperature for 12 to 20 hours. So you push that out of the aircraft, it lands on its side, turns the compressor off, you still have 12 to 20 hours, depending on ambient temperature, to get over to your air bundle and get the APRU upright. So there's not a rush. You have time to get security set up, get your patrol or whatever, however you're doing your airborne operation, and then get to your APRU and get it back upright to start running the compressor. The other thing this allows you to do, it is a mobile application or a portable application, and you can carry it around by two handles if you want, but I like the idea of being able to free up yourself. If I had to carry my weapon in my left hand or my right hand, I could carry the APRU with one handle and still have my weapon ready and available, or maybe I have an aid bag or something else in my hand, radio, and I can carry the APRU with a handle. It also allows you to carry it like a backpack. We have the APRU medical bag right here, and it has backpack straps, and it allows you to carry it on your back just like a backpack. And I see people in training, what they'll do is move from a vehicle, put it on, and they'll walk into a building, or maybe they walk out of a building to a vehicle, or maybe they go 50 meters or something off the target with the APRU and start doing medical treatment at the casualty collection point, right? And so you move your APRU there, and you have your blood centrally located. So it allows you to move it in a vertical position as well. And then additionally, by being on its side, if I had a tight space on a helo or a vehicle, and it was a short duration operation, and I only had like a vertical space to put it in, I could slide in that vertical space. I still have the passive side to hold it for 12 to 20 hours, right? Okay, again, tilt mode, protection measure, so someone doesn't unintentionally place it on side or upside down. Other things you can use it for: airborne ops, vehicles, moving it from place to place, and carrying it with one handle and still leaving your hands free to carry something else. Again, that's just me thinking about other ways I could use a tilt mode to the benefit of the operation. All right, thank you.